Okay, so now we're going to learn the box method of division. And so let's say that we have 738 divided by 4. So I know that I'm going to need 3 boxes because I have 3 place values here and my divisor is right here. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use this dividend at first. Okay, but then later on, I need you guys to really pay attention because it changes. So I'm going to say, okay, how many times does 4 go inside 7? And I know it goes inside 1 time, right? But then I did not use these 2 numbers. So since I did not use them, I'm going to add, there's 2 place values, so I'm going to add 2 zeros. And right here, I'm just going to do the multiplication. 4 times 100 is 400. Once I have this, basically I've already taken out 400 out of the 738. So on the side, I'm going to do a little bit of math. 738 minus 400 is 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. So now that I have this, I'm not going to be looking at this anymore. I'm going to be looking at what I have left, okay, after I subtract it. So how many times does 4 go inside 33? And I know that 4 times 8 is 32, so I know that it goes in 8 times. And now I only have this 1 place value that I did not use, so I'm going to put that little 0 right there. And I know that 4 times 8 is 32, and then I have my 0, so 320. I'm going to subtract my 320 that I already took away. So 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So now I'm left with 18. How many times does 4 go inside 18? I know that 4 times 4 is 16, so 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to take away those 16 from over here. And 18 minus 16 is 2. And that's going to be my remainder. So my quotient for 738 divided by 4 is 100 plus 80 plus 4 is 184 with a remainder of 2. And remember, we can always check by multiplying 184 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and we have 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And I cannot forget my remainder, so plus 2. That's 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 0 is 3, 7. So 738, which is what I began with.